Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Friska Rowan Rosadam. I'm from University of Borneo Tarakan. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Here, I will explain about the history of agriculture. Agricultural history is part of the history of human culture. Agriculture arises when a community is able to maintain food availability for itself. There has been a change in the belief system, the development of life support tools, and also the arts due to the adoption of agricultural technology. In ancient literature, there is a story that the inventor of agricultural activities was the Chinese Emperor Shen Nung. At that time, he saw his people love to eat beef and chicken obtained from hunting, as well as collection fruits, seeds, and nuts. However, the longer of population grew and the environment could not provide enough natural product to support life. He sparked the idea of making an earth milling tool sharpened and attached to stick. That was the first plow model, and with that plow, he ordered his people to cultivate land and plant millet. Agriculture as a source of human life is employment sourced from agricultural science. What is meant by agriculture is nothing but farming. More agricultural meaning both in agriculture covering fields farming, fisheries, animals, plantations, forestry, processing of agricultural products, and marketing of agricultural products. The hilly fertile region in West Asia, as well as Egypt and India, are the initial location for crop cultivation to get the results. Before the activity began, humans were accustomed to finding food sources in the wild. Agriculture develops independently in various places in the world, namely China, Africa, Papua, India, and America. Every part of the world has different history of agricultural technology development. So the timeline of agricultural development varies in each place. In some parts of Africa and Central Asia, there are still semi-nomadic communities who have been able to carry out livestock farming or farming activities, but are still moving around in order to maintain food supply. Meanwhile, in North America and Europe, large tractors handled by one person have been able to support the food supply of hundreds of people. The origin of agriculture. The end of Ice Age around 11,000 years before Christ made the earth warmer and experienced a longer dry season. This condition is favorable for the development of annual crops, which in a relatively short time produce results and seeds or tubers can be stored. Availability of grains and legumes in sufficient quantities give rise to settlements for the first time, because hunting and logging activities do not need to be done all the time. Development. Based on evidence from artifacts, prehistoric experts now agree that agricultural practice first began in the Fertile Crescent area of Mesopotamia around 8000 BC. At that time, this area was greener than it is now. Based on a study, 32 of 56 species of cultivated grains originate from this area. This area is also one of the center of diversity of cultivation plants according to Nikolai Vavilov. The types of plants that were first cultivated here were wheat, barley, beans or pea, chickpeas, and flax. In other areas located far apart, other types of plants are developed according to topographic and climatic conditions. In China, rice or Oryza sativa and barley, or in general terms as millet equivalent, began to be domesticated since 7500 BC, and followed by soybeans, green beans, and azuki beans. Rice and sorghum were developed in Sahara region, Africa, 5000 BC. Different local plants may have been cultivated separately in West Africa, Ethiopia, and Papua. Three separate regions in America separately began to cultivate corn, pumpkins, potato, and sunflowers. Tropical conditions in Africa and tropical Asia, including Indonesia, tend to develop communities that continue to maintain hunting and logging because of the relative ease of obtaining food. Migration of Austronesian people who have known agriculture to the Indonesian archipelago brought with them the technology of rice cultivation and cultivation. Okay, maybe that's all I can say. If there's a word or pronunciation error, I'm really sorry, guys. Thank you.